Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up BigQuery datasets used for AI training. Complete guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up BigQuery datasets used for AI training, start by logging into your Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the BigQuery section from the left toolbar. Select the project that contains the datasets you wish to back up. Locate the dataset you want to back up in the Resources panel. Click on the dataset to expand its details and view the tables it contains. Next, you need to export the tables within the dataset. Select the table you wish to export. Click on the Export option in the menu bar above. Choose Export to Google Cloud Storage from the drop-down menu. In the dialog box, specify your Google Cloud Storage bucket where the backup will be stored. Ensure you select the file format for the export, such as CSV, JSON, or Avro. Optionally, configure other settings like delimiter and compression based on your requirements. Once all settings are accurately filled, click on the Export button to start the backup process. Monitor the export progress in the Notifications panel. Once the export completes, navigate to your Google Cloud Storage bucket to confirm the files are there. Repeat the process for any additional tables you need to back up. For a full dataset backup, consider using the BigQuery Data Transfer Service. Go back to the BigQuery section and select Scheduled Queries from the left menu. Click on Create Transfer and choose BigQuery as the data source. Specify your destination dataset for the backup. Set up a schedule for driving the backups as per your needs. Finally, review your settings and confirm by clicking the Save button. To restore the datasets later, navigate back to BigQuery and import the data from your cloud storage bucket. This process ensures you have a secure and up-to-date backup of your BigQuery datasets used for AI training. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.